Lana Moravcsik, Informed Speech. Imagine a world where rising temperatures are causing extreme storms, melting glaciers, and wildfires that are destroying forests. This isn't a future problem, it's happening now. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases and CO2 emission, and it is changing our planet in ways we can't ignore. Today, we'll explore what global warming is, why it matters, and what we can do to slow it down. Global warming is a serious environmental issue caused by human activities, and is crucial to understand its impacts and explore what we can do to help reduce its effects on this planet. To start, global warming is causing more and more severe weather patterns and disasters. One of the most noticeable effects is the severe weather patterns. As Earth's temperature rises, the atmosphere holds more moisture, which leads to heavier and more intense storms. These storms cause dangerous flooding that destroys homes, roads, and even communities. Global warming has contributed to longer periods of drought in many regions, which dries out forests and makes wildfires much more likely to start and spread quicker. On top of that, polar ice caps are melting, which raises sea levels and puts coastal areas in risk. Lastly, warming oceans are causing coral reefs to bleach and die because they can't handle the severe weather changes. And when an ecosystem dies underwater, the entire coral reef dies. Global warming is also having a serious impact on our ecosystem. While polar ice caps are melting, it is destroying natural habitats of animals like polar bears and seals that rely on ice to hunt. Many species are struggling to survive as global warming shifts the timing of seasons. For example, birds and insects are migrating earlier than usual, and it throws off their food sources and reproductive cycles. Coral reefs are important because they support a large variety of marine life when they die. With this natural effect of global warming, let's talk about how humans are a big part in warming the Earth. Humans play a huge role in causing global warming. Let's talk about how humans are a big part of it. Some of the biggest contributors is burning fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and even natural gas are the most that contribute to global warming. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This process is called greenhouse gas effect. Another significant factor is industrial agriculture. The production of meat, especially beef, generates large amounts of methane, a powerful fossil fuel. Transportation is another area where human activities are driving global warming. Cars, trucks, and planes and ships all rely on fossil fuels to run, emitting carbon dioxide and other pollutants in the air. Our increasing consumption and waste contributes to global warming as well. The production of goods, from electronics to clothing, requires energy, often from fossil fuels. Humans are a big contribution to global warming, but let's talk about how we can fix it. To fix it, we need to use energy efficiently and shift to renewable resources. One way we could shift is to go from fossil fuels to renewable energy, like wind, solar, and even hydropower. Replacing fossil fuels would reduce carbon footprints. The most important solution would be change individual actions. To reduce global warming, we can encourage people to adopt low carbon lifestyles, while large-scale changes are essential. Individual actions like reducing energy and recycling can contribute. At home, we can reduce energy consumption by using renewable products, choosing plant-based diets, and supporting companies that prioritize sustainability, and it all makes a difference. As we've explored a range of solutions to combat global warming, it's clear that addressing this global challenge requires collective efforts from governments, industries, and individuals alike to secure a sustainable future. In conclusion, global warming is a serious issue that affects everybody, but by taking steps like using renewable energy, protecting forests, and making sustainable choices in our daily lives, we can make a huge difference. As we go on to living in this world, it is vital to know what global warming is, why it matters, and what people can do to help save the Earth.